Welcome back to Shib, everyone. Shiba news vanished today, and Shosher left a final warning. On-chain data published by crypto analytics company Sandymint shows that around 25 trillion Shiba Inu tokens, valued at over $250 million, were transferred by an unidentified Ethereum address from a major cryptocurrency exchange to a self-custody wallet. The Shiba tokens were transferred to a new wallet from an Ethereum address that Etherscan identified as being associated with the US cryptocurrency exchange Crypto.com. We'll discuss Shoshi's final warning and the disappearance of Shiba news today in this video. Remember to give the video a huge thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel to see our most recent articles on expert analysis and Shiba Inu price forecasts. Let's get the video started right now. The transfer was done in 6 separate transactions, and since March 1st, the whale has been accumulating ETH quickly. As of right now, it has 992 ETH in addition to its now 25 trillion SHIB. The daily HODL claims that as a result of the significant move to cold storage, it is now the third largest Shiba Inu wallet globally and the largest wallet that isn't associated with an exchange. The largest transaction that Whale Alert has data on was the transfer of 4.1 trillion SHIB tokens for about $45 million to an anonymous wallet. It's unclear if another whale is transferring its tokens or if Crypto.com, which is transferring its SHIB to a new wallet, is making the transactions. Over the course of 2 days on Monday and Tuesday, Shib's burn rate surged by 1,317%, as the dog-inspired token burned a staggering 453 million coins, according to the Shiba Inu burn tracking site Shibburn. Burning Shiba tokens is the process of sending them to an address that cannot be retrieved using a private key, rendering them useless and taking them out of circulation forever. This is frequently done to lower the overall quantity in circulation, which helps to reduce inflation and raise the value of the remaining tokens. For Shiba Inu, the second biggest meme coin globally, token burning is a community-driven endeavor to boost the cryptocurrency's worth. It's also thought to be in homage to some Asian cultures' custom of burning paper money as an offering to ancestors. In the meantime, the beta release of Shibum, the Layer 2 protocol of the ecosystem constructed on top of Ethereum, has the Shiba Inu community buzzing with excitement. The Shiba community is expanding as they keep looking for new opportunities. The beta version of SHIB was made available last week, giving beta testers a peek into the test net. The anonymous Shiba developer Shosher Kusama claims that the much-awaited Shibum, a Layer 2 protocol built on top of Ethereum, is still in beta. As the team concentrates on creating more efficient processes and keeping an eye out for issues, it might stay that way for 2 or 4 months. The Shiba Inu community is now experiencing a renewed sense of excitement and interest as a result of these developments. The community's ongoing interest in and increasing prominence in the cryptocurrency space is demonstrated by the launch of Shibum and the most recent transfer of SHIB tokens. It will be interesting to observe how these advancements affect Shiba Inu's adoption rate and future prospects. 2 well-known ETH investors have amassed an incredible 1,022,473,313,193 SHIB worth $10,898,371 from 2 different transactions in the last 24 hours, according to Whale Stats, a well-known blockchain data tracking company. Whale Stats reports that Kate, the 232nd largest Ethereum whale, completed the first transaction, adding an incredible 899,999,734,985 SHIB, or $9,619,197, in a single transaction. Not too long after, Blue Whale 0073, the 2,154th largest ETH whale, completed a trade and bought 122,475,578,280 SHIB, or $1,286,381. The noteworthy whale buildup follows Crypto.com's standard custody process, which involved moving 24,939,482,510,233 SHIB, or $269,595,185, to a new address in order to protect exchange wallet security. Whale's substantial accumulation in a market where Bitcoin is currently selling above $28,000 indicates that SHIB is about to see a major price hike. Because BTC is dominating and the market is short-term bullish, altcoins could begin to surge when BTC stops rising and settles into a particular price range. Since the Shib public beta was released, there has been a noticeable rise in the demand for Shiba Inus, which has led to a notable rise in the burn rate. According to CryptoBasic, in just the last week, the Shiba Inu community has destroyed a total of 2,072,114,690 SHIB through 290 distinct transactions. Amid the ongoing developments, lead developer of Shiba Inu, Shoshiro Kusama, recently alluded to a revolutionary development in remarks regarding the meeting between Ted Skilowitz, the futurist at Paramount Pictures, and Marcy Gastro, the Shiba Metaverse advisor, at the 2023 South by Southwest Festival in Texas. In the meantime, Kusama has labeled every member of the community as a member of the Shiba defense breed in an effort to counter an expanding disinformation campaign against the initiative. Shiba's indicators suggest that a rally may be on the horizon because the 30-day moving average and its relative strength index are both in lower levels as a result of a positive correction. The coin has been oversold, as evidenced by its RSI dropping as low as 30 earlier in the month. As the indicator is currently steadily moving towards 50, a recovery may not be far off. In a similar vein, Shib's 30-day MA has been declining for a few days, inevitably approaching a comeback rally. Since SHIB hasn't had the large gains experienced by BTC, ETH, and other major coins over the previous week, it is fully debatable whether or not it will rally dramatically soon. There are a number of fundamental reasons to believe this. The most noticeable of them was Shiba Inu's Layer 2 network, Shib, which went live for beta testing on March 11th and is expected to go public in the coming months. When Shib is fully operational, users will be able to utilize Shiba Inu and the other apps in its ecosystem for a lot less money, and transaction times will both speed up and scale up. Therefore, it is anticipated to raise demand for SHIB and promote adoption and usage of the Shiba ecosystem. Its beta launch wasn't without problems. To be sure, some observers said it had stolen its chain ID from Renia, a new blockchain that is presently in testnet. The claims were promptly met with a response from Shib developers. Dia stated in a tweet that there was no deliberate duplication and that chain IDs were chosen at random for the Shib beta network. Diera also dispelled any rumors that Layer 2's team is simply emulating other networks by stating that his team would be relaunching a new Shib beta network with a distinct chain ID. Despite this refutation, Shib's price is still trailing many other significant tokens and hasn't done much to recover from its decline that coincided with the surfacing of the aforementioned claims. In spite of this, SHIB has risen in the market capitalization rankings this month, having jumped from 15th place earlier in March to 14th place around a week ago. This demonstrates its consistent expansion, which could continue after Shib, the metaverse, launches. Although there isn't a set launch date for this virtual environment with a Shiba theme, it's generally anticipated to happen before the year is up. A few updates, including early footage of one of the distinct sections of the metaverse, have been provided by its crew recently. The realm of Shiba, the metaverse, will have 1,595 territories that can be purchased and unlocked over time, according to the developers. During its initial phase, 3,643 acres will be made available for purchase, out of which 3,1214 will be exposed. These will be divided into many districts according to a certain graphical style and flavor. The metaverse presents itself as a hybrid of the future of gaming and entertainment industries. With this platform's methodology, it is reasonable to predict that SHIB will see some significant price increases as the year goes on. Even though it's currently just at 0.108, in the coming months it might easily post returns to 0.0015 and 0.00002. Actually, a lot of supporters are hoping for much greater gains, some are even targeting 0 or higher. Although this is a very ambitious idea, there's little doubt that SHIB will eventually see some enviable returns if Shib starts and everything goes as planned. We're done for today. Remember to hit the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel in order to watch our most recent videos.